Hey guys, it's Bashira of Bashira Made It, and if you're here, it looks like you're ready to get started with the tutorial on how to gather. If you didn't know, it is possible to gather most lightweight knits and lightweight wovens. But before we get started, please be sure to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This lovely model is my granddaughter, and she just so happens to be working on a school project. This tutorial is based on the Brothers sewing machine. However, if you don't have this make and model, please hang on with us because I show you how to gather using a different machine. And lastly, be sure to refer to your sewing manual. Now let's get started. First, you're going to set your tension to number 9. And then next, you're going to select number 1 as your stitch pattern and number 5 as the stitch width. At this point, you should have a piece of scrap fabric. If not, go on and put this video on pause. Okay guys, and that's it. Just go on and sew and watch the machine do what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, I know you're wondering if that is it. It really is. It really is that simple. It just really depends on the type of sewing machine. But no worries, we're going to keep it going. So I'm going to give you a few more ideas, and hopefully this helps you along your sewing journey, including ruffles and gathers into your design. Guys, you know what I say, let your cup runneth over with creativity. And that's exactly that. So you can use the first gather idea along a sleeve, along a hem. You can make it wider as the samples that I gave you, or you can do something like this. You can run a stitch down the width of the fabric and then on the angles. Also, you can take strips, gather each one of them up, and then join them like this. And with the right measurements, you'll be able to put styles like this together. Okay, this is technique number 2. So if your machine doesn't work using those settings and you don't have a gathered foot, this will do just fine. So for starters, you're going to grab your fabric and you're going to stitch 2 rows close to the seam allowance and close to the edge using your loosest stitch, probably your base stitch. And then you're going to grab the 2 threads underneath, which would be your bobbin thread. And then you're just going to gently pull them up. You may have seen this before, and I'm going to show you really quick. Guys, if I'm going too fast, you can put this video on pause, and you can also rewind at any time. Okay guys, and that is it. I hope this tutorial helped you better understand how to gather using your sewing machine, whether or not you have the features on your machine that actually creates the gather for you, or you may have to manually do it. So if you have any additional questions, please leave me a DM or a comment and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you and stay tuned for more tutorials.